Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to the update for the Bitcoin, right? So we continue from the past analysis where I actually have seen this rejection on the weekly, right, with the strong displacement higher, and I was expecting the price to reach the buy side in the premium, right? So as we measured from this top, this dealing range, I was expecting price to deliver into the first liquidity in the premium, right? So price has made displacement, then it moved lower. It did not close on the higher time frame below this midpoint, right? So that was a signal for me to go long, right, with the safe stop loss below this fair value gap, right? So it could be right below the fair value gap, which with aggressive stop loss, or below that candle, right? So then the price nicely delivered during the week. And right now, let's look to the update, right? So what to do now, what to do next, right? So close this and I close this also. And it's actually simple, right? So we are seeing that the price is now delivering this liquidity. Let me highlight by side, right? So what's next, right? So we're going to the external liquidity. Now what? What's next? Internal, right? So what we want to highlight is again this fair value gap in here, right? And we want to see a price to, if the price drops lower, back down here, it actually can go lower in here, but not close strongly. What does it mean? It means that we don't want to see like a big down candle, something like that, right? Closing down here, right? It can go lower, the wicks can go there, but if they then return or being rejected in the next another candle, and we get the close above it, then it's a signal for the continuation higher, right? So where do I think we can go? Then we have this fair value gap, right? That could be that could stop us for some time and take us then lower again, right? We don't know it yet, but I do think that these two all-time highs actually could be possible, right? So what I have in my mind is that I would be interested trading around this 64K, right? So I'm actually going to add a alert, and I still have must have in my mind that this level in here could kind of stop the price, right? So we will see how this gonna play. This is my view on the Bitcoin currently. So I am interested to trade around this level, right? So what would be my entry if the price drops down here? I will obviously not going to be setting up a buy limit and just waiting what's going to happen, right? Because what mostly can happen is that the price goes through my stop loss and then it can go up without me, right? So what I want to see is to my alarm being activated, right? And then I want to see the price action on the lower time frames, what's going on in here, right? And I want to see the clear break of the structure, right, with the fair value gap, right, for the retest and the entry in there, right? So that's for the Bitcoin, and I think it's bullish, and yeah, it could be final breakout, and proper bull run could start. Who knows, right? Anyway, don't forget that this fair value gap can completely change the view, and it can actually happen that from here could go lower and continuation of the accumulation, right? So still have it in your mind that anything can happen, right? Nothing is guaranteed in the trading, and be open to any possibilities. All right, bye bye.